How to fix iPhone camera blurry issue. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clean the camera lens. Sometimes a blurry photo is simply due to smudges or dirt on the lens. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently clean the lens. Avoid using any liquids that could cause damage to the camera. Likewise, remove the phone case. Some cases partially block the lens or flash, leading to unclear photos. Remove your case and check if the camera is still blurry. Next up, you can hit towards the option of settings. Now scroll down and find the option camera. Once you're in this page, customize these settings according to your choice. Then you can open your camera app. When you open the camera app, tap on the screen where you want to focus. A yellow box should appear indicating the focus area. Hold the phone steady and see if this improves the image clarity. Turn off live photos and night mode. Live photos and night mode can sometimes make photos appear less sharp. Tap the live photo icon. Disable it. Likewise, disable night mode. Next up, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can resolve minor software glitches. Simply press and hold the power button, slide to power off and then turn on your iPhone back. Next, check for the iOS update. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Lastly, what you can do is reset all settings. Hit back, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings. Enter your phone's passcode over here and then go through the process. By applying all the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix iPhone camera blurry issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.